In this video, we fill our first batch of PDF forms end-to-end using the 5-step wizard. Step 1. Choose the PDF. I select my PDF form. The app inspects it instantly and reports the number and type of fields detected: text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, drop-down lists, even signature fields. If the PDF contains no interactive fields, don't worry, the visual designer lets us draw them, and we'll cover that in a later episode. Step 2. Choose the data. I select my data file. 3 formats are supported: CSV, Excel, and JSON. The app immediately shows how many rows and columns were imported. Each row will become one PDF. The importer is built for real-world files. Empty rows are skipped, white spaces trimmed, duplicate headers are automatically renamed, imperfect exports load just fine. Step 3. Map the fields. This is where I link each data column to a PDF field. In the Pro Edition, Smart Suggestions do the work for me. Notice the checkboxes. Values like yes, we, or true select the box automatically. No configuration needed. Step 4. Configure the output. I pick the destination folder, the file name pattern, for example, last language _ firm, the overwrite policy, and the flattening option in Pro. Best of all, I can preview the first rows rendered in the actual PDF before generating anything. Step 5. Generate. I click Generate, follow the progress bar and live log, then review the summary. How many documents succeeded? How many failed? And there it is. Every row of my file is now a perfectly filled, automatically named PDF.